Alright guys, well apparently you want me to try to restore the radio, so we shall try and do that. This may blow up the process, but we will try to do that. So anyways, first things first, get this bad boy working. I supplied 6 volt to it earlier, and it done nothing. It here like a, the coil's engaged, vibrating. So what I had to do, basically, 6 volt. I took the 6 volts and I continuously, basically, forced the coil to operate. I just kept basically touching 6 volt to the pin, touch, until I managed to get the coil vibrating. So, just to prove that this contraption is vibrating, let's turn around. Or wrong pin. This pin. So, the vibrator is working. Ding! Bonus number 1. Next thing, trying to test the vibrator to see if it produces voltage. And it doesn't appear to be producing very much voltage. I'll try to show you this with the meter here. I gotta put the camera down and do this because it's a bit needs 2 hands. So stand by. Let's set the camera up here. Alright, I'm going to attach the negative, get the vibrator going. You can see a pulsate there. Alright, so I managed to get the vibrator working in the radio. As in the previous video, I had to replace a couple resistors here. They're a bit low, but I'll keep smoking them, I don't care. They'll get proper ones. So, what we've got here, I got 6 volts supplied on this red wire. Right there. These 2 wires here go back to my voltmeter. This is voltage from the actual transformer. I've got the rectifier tube right here removed at the moment, which is the 6X4. I have her removed at the moment. I also have the filament wire temporarily disconnected here. So let's turn around and let's see if the vibrator works. There you go. You can hear the vibrator vibrating away in there. So I guess next thing we'll do now is hook up the 6X4 and see if we can get some plate voltage here. See if these capacitors don't go snap, crackle, pop. Like I'm thinking they're probably gonna do, but for the sake of the channel, we're going to hook it up and see what happens. Alright, so I got the 6X4 installed. There's not much plate voltage going on here. It takes a while. The power cell I'm using is really don't have enough oomph to it to really get any voltage running here as such. So let's put the 6X4 in and just monitor the AC right now with the 6X4 installed and just see if the transformer produces anything. Okay, we're going to wait for the filament to warm up. So we're getting about 5 volts. Yeah, little wall wart 6-volt adapter is not really enough to get her up. There's not enough current behind it. So I'm gonna have to build myself a 6-volt power supply next, so I can test this thing further. Which is cool. I don't mind doing that. Just proves to me, with the 6X4 disconnected, that the transformer part of it, or the primary secondary part of the circuit, is working. So the transformer should be fine. The capacitors, even though they got it replaced, they are fine. Anyways, so I guess what we'll do now to get stuff work tomorrow is see if we can build ourselves a 6-volt power supply. A decent one, that is. But anyways, we're making a little bit of headway here. You can hear the vibrator there very weakly. There's not enough current to run the radio with the adapter that I'm using, the 6-volt power supply. There's not enough current, basically, to, in layman's terms, power the filament and the vibrator together, along with the power lamp. This is too much current. Anyways, so that's the next step. Build a decent 6-volt power supply. Anyways, hope you're enjoying the video on the Motorola 401 or the 401A, whatever the case may be. This critter was built 1951. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and we'll give more videos of this as we progress with this monstrosity. Always, guys.